Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be reacting to Mob Entertainment Restricted Installment mp4, and then we're going to go through it with a little analysis though.
Color Catcher Max Protect saves your clothes from color dullness. The proof is on the sheet. Try Color Catcher.
Test subject is 59-year-old Thomas Clark, a full-time employee at Playtime Co. since 1955. 6 months ago, he was diagnosed with terminal lung cancer. Now, Mr. Clark, of sound mind, has volunteered for this experiment.
The eyes! The eyes! Ew, ew.
1199 displayed much more disorientation than we expected. Subsequent mental testing measures were also cut practically in half. It's just conjecture on my part, but I don't believe he knows where he is or what's happened to him. To make matters worse, the other experiments could tell 1199 was different.
I wonder why the experiments think 1199 he was different. Wait, we'll pause it a second. I need to do. Okay, let's step back into it. Peter. Oh, whatever you say. Oh, what was that? I also watched this live. But did you see Missy running away up in the corner?
They would have killed him had the research team not intervened, and even then there was still significant damage to the internal structures with some of the anatomy, namely the larynx and the thyroid, having been completely devoured.
Oh.
12 hours of surgery to stabilize 1199. We keep him separated from the others now.
Time 58, there must be more. Ah, my ears. Guys, what did you think about that? Did you write it? Did you not write it? Okay. Now we are gonna do the analysis now. So we're gonna go by frame by. He told them that he wanted to be part of the experiment. I think they made him do it. It's on the operating table. Okay. He has been very touched.
Test subject is 59-year-old Thomas Clark, a full-time employee at Playtime Co. since 1955. 6 months ago, he was diagnosed with terminal lung cancer. Now, Mr. Clark, of sound mind, has volunteered for this experiment.
I don't think he did. Wait. This bit. They have eye movement, so it looks like part of him has been bitten off or cut out to fit him into there. His eyes has been taken out, and there's his real eyes. And then it looks like part of his nose has been chomped off. Okay. Eyes movement. What's right, he's panicking.
99 displayed much more disorientation than we expected. Subsequent mental testing measures were also cut practically in half. It's just conjecture on my part, but I don't believe he knows where he is or what's happened to him. To make matters worse, the other experiments could tell 1199 was different.
Okay, this bit. Right. So, here's Tatby, Mini Hoodies. Mini Hoodies that closer to him. A PJ put a pillow. Either Hoodie Wuddy or Tissy Missy. And then he works to the other side. We have PJ put a pillow over here with his eyes lit up. We have Tatby, a mini hoodie. I wonder what that could be. 4 mini hoodies, another Tatby. And then this thing. Maybe that it harder many times. Okay. Oh man, I missed it. But what will happen to Braun? He got eaten. So let's go back. What there? What do you see there? A bit of paint. A bit of paint. And then over here, what's right? His bones. What is a bit Dust, of blood. I don't see a bit of paint. There. And here, and then...
They would have killed him had the research team not intervened.
They would have killed him.
Significant damage to the internal structures with some of the anatomy.
I wonder why they killed him. But this thing, this poster back here, I think that might be a poster on how like they get to fit the human body inside these toys. And here we have a little hoodie or tissy missy thing. Two Bunzo Bunny thingamadidies, what are they called? Fidders, a caterpillar head, and then a poster. It looks white. Hoodie Ruddy, I don't know. Jay.
Completely devoured. It took 12 hours of surgery to stabilize.
12 hours of surgery to stay.
Keep him separated from.
No, me Braun. Man, that is not what I Braun. But anyways.
No.
And also, don't subscribe to these stories. Don't subscribe to him. Don't subscribe to them. Don't subscribe. Sub to them. And also sub to... Right. Me. What happened here? Get me to 80 subscribers. Now. Oh, I'll turn for you. What happened here? Why? That's me. What? Oh, it's this one.
It's me, Mark. I have a gift for you. I have a surprise. Let me in, Mark.
Open the door, Bot. It's that turn. Okay, yeah. So make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Peace out and goodbye.